Hello dear parents, students and friends. Don't hesitate to listen to our channel. Subscribe, add comments and share. My name is Nicole. I am 8 years old. I am going in P4. Today we are going to talk about the rainbow. A rainbow occurs when raindrops cross the sun rays. A rainbow has 7 colors, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Did you know an easy way to know rainbow colors and their order? Just memorize these easy sentences. Richard of York gave battle in vain. R for Richard represents red. O for off represents orange. Y for York represents yellow. G for gave represents green. B for battle represents blue. I for in represents indigo. V for vein represents violet. Don't hesitate to listen to our channel. Subscribe, add comments and share. Thank you.